was gonna drive this truck through a garage door today as fast as the truck will possibly go. We were shooting for 100 miles an hour, but the safety modifications created some wind drag, and we're gonna see how fast it goes. We're gonna demolish the garage door. My name's Rusty, this is Alan. We're partners in a company called Hung Right Doors in Southwest Washington. We just wanted to make a video that people would watch about garage doors. We were gonna get a stunt driver, but Alan insisted on driving the truck, so we're gonna see how it goes. Demolishing the garage door is the point of the video, so just something fun for people to watch. Okay, so the door is installed. The door is completely functional, completely installed correctly, minus back hangs because we can't put them to the ceiling, but it's 16 by 8 non-insulated door, and it's all mounted to the wood. All the track lags are mounted so everybody can see. I'm sure there's going to be door people that might see this. So all the hinges are on. We did a strut on the top section, just like it would be installed in somebody's house, so there's no funny business. You can see the track all the way up. Everything's mounted. Here's the face of the door. Look at what it did to this number 1 hinge. The track is just untouched. The garage door didn't hold up very well.